Key differences between mediation and arbitration. Key differences between mediation and arbitration. Mediation and arbitration are both alternative dispute resolution methods. However, they are fundamentally different procedures with different outcomes. Choosing the wrong process can lead to disappointment in your case. It is important to understand the differences between the two before choosing an ADR method. Mediation. Mediation is generally a more relaxed environment with more flexible options. In mediation, the mediator helps the parties communicate, and the parties make the decision. The outcome is a mutually agreed upon settlement between the parties. Discussions are also automatically protected by confidentiality. Arbitration. Arbitration is more formal, often resembling a court hearing. In arbitration, the arbitrator acts like a judge, and they make the decision, not the parties. The outcome is usually a binding decision called an award. In arbitration, confidentiality is dependent on the agreement of the parties. It is not automatic. Mediation and arbitration both offer good alternatives to litigation, but they are not interchangeable. By understanding the difference between both options, you can make an informed decision about which process is right for you. We hope you enjoyed learning about the differences in mediation and arbitration. Please help Happy Mediation reach more people by liking this video or making a donation and sharing it with other people.